E-truck fires are rare, but it's important to understand the basics. Early warning signs of a battery fire can be detected through smell, sound, and sight. Take note of any chemical or sweet odors and burning plastic smells. Listen for hissing, popping, cracking, and loud, unusual electrical sounds. Look for smoke like vapor or clouds of gas from the battery pack under the vehicle, and battery warning alerts. If you notice any of these warning signs, evacuate immediately and follow your emergency plan.